Welcome back to Drug Class. Tonight's episode is about Caroline. Caroline's a young woman who was separated from her family fairly early on, and that led to a significant period of substance use and abuse. She's starting to do better, and now she's trying to reconnect with her family.
When my mom was pregnant with me, she was using cocaine and heroin, and so that went through her system when she was pregnant with me, and then it was getting into my system as well. So when I was born to cocaine and heroin.
Making amends is fixing up the things that we have done when we were using drugs and alcohol. That's really important to get working on to help reconnect with your family.
Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry. I feel as if I'm sorry just doesn't cut it anymore, and I really can't blame you. I've lost your trust, destroyed any sort of love you've ever had for me. I'm not sure what it is I can do to show you I am trying hard to live a decent lifestyle. I want you to know I know and understand what it is I've done to betray the both of you. I can only imagine the pain I've put you through. Knowing I've done these things to you makes me wonder, will I ever change? Will I ever be different without the push and support of my mom and dad? I'm trying to change my ways. I mean, I have in a lot of ways. It seems I naturally just have a bad attitude. I'm not writing this letter to you to feed you bullshit. I'm only writing you my honesty. I'm not going to tell you my life is flowers and rainbows, so hey, let's be friends. No, I'm writing you simply to let you know that I know I was wrong. I don't write you with expectations of your forgiveness or love. I've destroyed all trust that ever was so freely given to me. I don't expect the opportunity to be trusted. I know in my heart I mean it when I say I'm sorry.
Amend means to repair something, means to not just say sorry, but to try and fix up what has happened.
Well, I mean, it's a process. It's a process, and it's been a 2-year process for me to find the Caroline that I'm okay with. And it's going to keep being a process because there's always things that I see in my life or about myself that, you know, I want to change or I want to make better. There's always room for growth and improvement, so I'm never going to stop doing that.